You've heard the stories and seen the memes. Today, we're stopping the gatekeeping. This is your 2026 survival guide to your first Brazilian, the raw truth you need to know. Survival starts 24 hours before. Your hair must be a grain of rice long. Too short, it won't grab. Too long, unnecessary pain. Exfoliate the day before, never the day of. When the wax goes on, stay calm. The secret: exhale exactly when the strip pulls. It relaxes your muscles and cuts the pain in half. If it's your first time, tell your pro, they will match your pace. Post-wax, treat the area like a VIP zone. No gym, no tight leggings, no hot tubs for 24 hours. Stick to breathable cotton and soothing aloe to prevent any irritation. Is the result worth the maintenance? 100%. If you have a question I didn't cover, drop it in the comments below. I'm answering everything today. Subscribe for more expert guides.